Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. If you are watching this program for the first time, please, I use God to beg you, don't just watch this program and leave. Kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this program, drop your comments, and like it. Let other people benefit from this content. Please, let's help ourselves. Let this program go viral. That is what I want. Please, let's help ourselves. I appreciate all my fans, all my diaspora. To those that are giving me gifts, Yorùbá say ọwọ́ afúnni ní òkè ni ó máa ń gbé. Givers never lack. Thanks for supporting my program. The eyes that are using to watch my program, it will get blind. Please subscribe. In today's program, I want to share how to prepare super combination app. Super combination app is what I would like to share with you people today. How to do it? Go and look for fresh bitter kola and garlic. Fresh bitter kola and garlic and ginger with negro pepper. Fresh bitter kola, garlic, ginger with negro pepper. How to do it? Pack these items inside mortar, pound it a little bit, then look for pot, add ordinary water to it, cook it like 25 minutes or 30 minutes. 25 minutes or 30 minutes, cook it. Then derive water from it, squeeze it, derive water from it. Then look for one container, pour this herb inside one container, add pure honey to it, original honey, add it to it, shake it very well. You can keep it inside your fridge. If you want to use it, just take one shot 30 minutes before tournament, and take one shot 30 minutes before tournament. If you try this thing, the results will shock you. That is it. It's small, but it's mighty. Please share this program and let this program go viral. That is what I want. I use God to beg you. Please, for more video, please subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Avis Abolade TV. Bye for now.